Americans, and I say it again, my fellow Americans, I have an apology. The apology is there aren't enough American Legion, Vietnam veterans here today. But when we come back on the 20th September, we'll be here. I will help recruit. As you know, friends, as you have veterans that you love, the families, tell them to be with us, with their hats on, so that that growth goes across the nation as you are here from across the nation. You know, the one that I was in the hearing, and my only comment is, the defense was very good. They had attorneys. You heard from two. Very, very committed. We love the Hmong. They love the Hmong. But what I didn't hear was somebody from the federal Obama administration that came and said, "We're sorry, we quit." No, they didn't say that. And they're wrong. They're wrong. Say that with me. They're wrong. General MacArthur said, "We shall return, we shall return, we shall return, we shall return." And the American people will know that justice is on the side of the Hmong. 50% of their population died, saved 30,000 American lives, over 100 to try and find one pilot. You are Hmong. You were Hmong, but you are now Hmong American. Forever. Defending our nation together. Victory for America. Victory for the Hmong. Victory for the people. Good job, okay.
They call it tall men, Mitzi, me, Boo Mayor, La Shimetilo, Jacketo, Tolo Lucia, being no, they do. Jabo, you could only the Nolumo. I had to take look, Tulkampe, Bits a little bit like Jacob, like Dalton Chang Yalu, Ditai, Bete Pongu. No, Jacobu Beijing Church. She marched it on Dana, John the Yomojoto. We big occasion. Hmong are good people. Hmong are good citizens. Hmong will become good productive citizens. They call Kusanka to pay at that. Low pay or down. Copy or down. Lowing or down. She might look happy. All the patient, the floppy or the young to happy, on the cat of the bay, more, your gang happy, so been chased on. Bay she that you Lupin had to jump, Betty, Yin Joe the Cape, each put in the bay, Miss and the people were down.